Download PDF Bomag Manuals is proud to offer a comprehensive collection of manuals covering all Bomag equipment. Our collection includes detailed parts information, as well as comprehensive workshop manuals that provide in-depth technical information for all your servicing needs. Our manuals are designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills required to effectively maintain and repair your Bomag equipment. With our collection, you can be confident that you have access to the latest information and best practices, allowing you to get the most out of your Bomag investment. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Bomag Manuals has everything you need to keep your equipment running smoothly. We have Bomag soil compaction equipment, vibratory soil compactors, tandem vibratory rollers, single drum vibratory rollers, pneumatic tired rollers, walk-behind rollers, soil stabilizers. Bomag asphalt compaction equipment, tandem vibratory rollers, single drum vibratory rollers, combination rollers, pneumatic tired rollers, cold planers, asphalt pavers, reclaimers. Waste compaction equipment, refuse compactors, landfill compactors. Light equipment, light tandem vibratory rollers, reversible plate compactors, forward plate compactors, trench rollers, light towers, hand-guided rollers, rammers. Service, operators, and parts catalog manuals. If you can't find your machine manual or machine brand manual, then you can simply contact us. We will provide you Machinesmanual@gmail.com.